Today we will be discussing the topic of red blood cells and white blood cells, their functions and differences. Blood is an essential to life. Blood circulates through the body, delivering essential substances and nutrients to body cells. There really is no substitute for blood. This is a blood vessel. Blood vessels carry blood cells all throughout the body. Here is a picture of all the different types of blood cells: the white blood cell, red blood cell, and platelet. This is a red blood cell structure. It consists of lipid bilayer, protein, phospholipids, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. This is a red blood cell membrane. It is consisted of an outer membrane layer, an inner membrane layer, and a central layer. Blood cells have a specific structure. They are disc-shaped, small, flexible, and smooth. The functions of red blood cells are to carry oxygen throughout tiny blood vessels to each individual cells. They also carry carbon dioxide away from each cell. A red blood cell is the shape of a contact with a round edge. An average red blood cell is 6 to 8 micrometers, and the width is about 2 micrometers. The main function of the red blood cell is to transport oxygen. The second function is to control the pH of the blood. This is a white blood cell. White blood cell is clearly very different in shape, size, and color. White blood cells consist of 5 different types of white blood cells: the lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophil, basophil, and neutrophil. These 5 types of blood cells are separated into 2 different categories: the granulocytes and agranulocytes. They all serve a different purpose. Neutrophil helps in phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is a process which removes foreign particles and dead skin cells. Eosinophil fights against parasitic infection. Basophil produces inflammatory and allergic reactions. Lymphocyte produces specific immune responses, and monocyte fights off bacteria, viruses, and fungi. In conclusion to the information we have received, red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body. White blood cells defend the body from viruses and infections. They clearly have very different functions, as well as color, shape, and size.